Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing a super magical, really ancient Ayurvedic drink to actually heal your body and get rid of running nose, cold, fever super duper fast. It's actually magical and you will see results super duper fast. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Priyanka George. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful videos and don't forget to hit on that bell to get notified.
ഇത് പനിക്കൂർക്ക ഇല, ഇത് തുളസി ഇല, ഇത് വെളുത്തുള്ളി, ചെറിയൊരു കഷ്ണം ഉള്ളി, പിന്നെ ചുക്കുപൊടി വേണം.
So in a vessel, add in some water and switch on the flame, and once it's become a little hot, not boiling, add in these magical leaves. These magical leaves are like seriously magical. Just tear it apart first and then add it into the water and close it with a lid. This is an amazing magical remedy shared by Raji. This is like an inherited recipe and it's a must try. So now just crush the garlic and the onion a little bit and add it into the amazing magical water. I know I said magical so many times, but it's seriously magical. And then once it starts boiling, just stir it a little bit and then add in the dry ginger powder and the black pepper powder. I'm actually super sick today, but this remedy instantly stopped my running nose to an extent and even stopped my sneezing. I was continuously sneezing, and this has stopped it big time. Now add in a little bit of coffee powder also and wait for it to boil nicely. Once it starts boiling, switch off the flame and inhale this magical steam. It is really effective, and after you get done with your steaming, drink it up also. Strain it and drink it. It is super magical. So I hope you found this video useful. Bye bye.